take charge.
So, alright class, this is your this cartoon. So we will have another activity. So I will group you into four. This will be the group 1, the group 2, the group 3, and group 4. So our activity is titled ZTPP challenge. So differentiate the activity. So the group 1 will be the visual learners artistic class that create a poster or drawing that shows a real life examples of sets, subsets, unions, and intersections. That's called fruits, sports, or hobbies. Labeled that sets correctly, and a short explanation. And group 2, the musical learner that compose a short jingle or rap song that explains what sets, subsets, union, and intersection mean, perform or record in a class. And group 3, usually use objects or cut out compounds, shapes, meanings, or etc. So physically demonstrate sets and intersection on a map or a paper. So the group 4 will be the linguistic learners of the writing class. So write a short paragraph or story that uses steps in real life situation like looking friends, adventures, or identifying animals. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer that. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So group 1, so present your present so alright, thank you. So the group 4. Alright, so number 1.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher John. Based on your activity, how can we describe the relationship between the union, the intersection, and the difference groupings in your own words?
Yes, Cabero, you raise your hands. Exactly. Thank you so much, Cabero. And next, in what ways we can apply the concept of sets in our real life application or in our daily activities? Yes, Ernie? Very good. Thank you for your comprehensive idea, Ernie. And next, why is it important to understand how sets are related or being grouped together? Yes, Daisy? Okay, very good. Next, how did your chosen activity help you better understand the concept of sets?
Anong oras?
Yes, Shikiri? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, class, for your comprehensive
1 hour kape na lang
ideas.
yun.
And
1 hour
now,
na lang yun.
okay, now before we're going to have another assessment, before we will going to have an assessment, let's go back with our learning objectives. If we are being able to achieve those things, okay, are we able to explain the concept of sets and how these operations are presented in a Venn diagram? Okay, are we able or can we construct and interpret Venn diagram to illustrate the set operations such as union and intersection of sets and as well as the difference of sets using the Venn diagram? Do you understand? Okay, very good. And how are we going to value the importance of set operations by applying in real life situations? Get it? Okay, since we're already done discussing about this lesson, let's have another activity which will be going to, okay, I will be going to give. Okay, I already sent a link in our GC. So by having the assessment, we will going to have, we will going to have an assessment based on through Google form, okay? Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to answer those following questions. Okay, your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. And I think that you are all passed the assessment and no one is being have a low score. Okay, so now I will give you an assignment. And for your assignment, this assignment titled My Campus Set Theory. So it is basically understandable that you will going to use Canva for your output. And using Canva, you can
visual poster or even infographic that explains the concept of sets and shows the example of the union of two sets, the intersection of two sets, and as well as the difference between two sets. Understood? And after that, you would also you can use shapes, images, or even icons to represent the elements of each set. And as well as you can also have you can also put some brief labels or explanations beside each illustration. So say for example, this is the presentation or this is the icons that represents the union, and you would also have to put some brief label which is it is the union combine all elements in both sets, and as well as you are also allowed to include one real life examples of each set. Understood? And after that, you can submit your work with the Canva link.
You can send it with our GC, or if you don't have, if it is not very convenient for you, you can also screenshot your output and also send your output in our GC. Get it? Okay. Do you have any questions, verification, violent reactions in terms of our discussion today? None so far. Okay, let's call it a day. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Okay.